Morning, Agent Engine Carver Clean. We're up here in windy Mansfield. Beautiful, beautiful sunny day, but the wind is up. Two cars at this booking, was originally only one. First one was a Citroën C5 1.6 diesel, 149,000 on the clock. That was a 2010 model. Quite a loud whistle from the turbo on that particular one, particularly loud. Some smoke coming from that one when it's accelerating. We've actually advised that that one gets checked out, potentially a new turbo on that one. So no cleaning done on that. We've done the diagnostics on it. A couple of other bits and pieces to do with the glow plug controller. Looks like that's not working. Some other intermittent issues to do with the flow meter signal and the EGR valve position copy signal. Second one, which is the one we're on right now, Volvo C30 1.6 diesel, 68,000 on the clock. It's a 2010 model as well. This one it's had the additive for the regeneration system run low recently. That was changed pretty much immediately. There's an old code in there for the DPF trap blocked. All those old codes, there's quite a few, that's all cleared down. Back pressures on the DPF look fine. It seems to be in good health apart from that. So just giving this one a clean up. I think there's a long journey coming up for what was going to be the Citroën, but now going to be this Volvo. So it's all going to be nice and smooth and quiet and running sweetly for the journey ahead.